is the official taste test. First time drinking, and I have taken the whiskey glass. Cheers, mate. Tastes so much better. Aquagaurd service agent has visited our place after the delivery through Amazon. So this is the Aquagaurd RO plus UV. This is an alkaline filter. These are the things that had come in the box. Hey guys, welcome back to Unbox and Review with Mithun Upendra. So as you can see, I have installed a new water purifier. So this is Aquagaurd RO, and this is an alkaline filter. Okay, basically it's a RO plus auto UV, and it also comes with a chemical block and also filter life enhancer. So it is just installed, and also I got an official Aquagaurd pre-filter. It costed me 1200 rupees, and earlier I was using this one. This is Aquagaurd Superb UV plus UF, but for some reason I was not liking the taste of the water, so I thought I'll go for RO itself. For the water that I get in my house, it does not need an RO, but the taste was not as good as this one, because I have the same filter at my sister's place and the water tastes so amazing compared to this one. So this one I'm planning to send it to my native where we have a well water. Hope it performs better there. And let me turn it on and show you guys how this works. Okay, now the filter is on and this should turn to blue. If it is blinking, the water level will be filling. And as you can see it here, the leftover water out of the RO membrane is coming out, and it's going for the drain as of now. And I'm planning to fill it up and use it for watering the plants or maybe washing the dishes. That's the plan for that. But I don't know if it contains a lot of minerals, right? If I can use it for plants or washing dishes, I don't know as of now. Let's figure it out later. And few more things that I want to tell you. Once this stops blinking, right, that means the tank is full. And for the first time users, we have to completely empty this filter. Once that is full, 2 times. Okay, after that you can use it. I'm going to do it for 3 times. If this light turns to green, that means the service indicator is on. You have to call the Aquagaurd service agents. If this goes red, right, that means the filter life has completely worn off and you need to replace the filters. So that's the indication that this Aquagaurd RO filter has, and this is the flow diagram, okay, in case anybody wants to look at it. Alright guys, I just realized I will have to do a experiment. Okay, so what it is, so now the tank is completely empty. I will turn on the water filter and see how much amount of the water is going to come in this bucket. Okay, I think this is 7 liters. I just turned it on and the water should start filling. If you can see, the water is completely empty. There is a thin line here. That's the amount of water is left out. And the machine is on. Water is coming out. Let's do the experiment and see, to fill this entire tank, how much water is getting wasted. The machine is just now turned off. Okay, so you can see the tank level is full. The RO has shut down, the water force has decreased. I want to transfer this into another bucket which has some markings, okay? So I can get to know exactly how much of water is there. This is a 25 liter bucket. Let's transfer once this water flow stops. Okay, moment of truth. Let me transfer the water into another bucket. Hey guys, this is crazy. Just to fill 7 liters of water, it's exactly 15 liters of water. Now you should be able to see it, right? Just above the 14 and right below the 15. 14 and a half. So for 7 liters of drinking water, you're wasting 2 times of the water. That's what it is. Alright guys, thank you. Subscribe for more. I see you in the next video. Bye.